Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So today we have here with a very important video about how to attempt the COMEDK mock test. Okay, so COMEDK will be your online exam. It is a computer based test, right? All of you might have knowing it, and many of you might be writing this exam for the first time, right? So in the COMEDK website, they have released some mock test where you can go and just understand how to attempt this online test. What is the interface there? What are the symbols? How to see the question papers. So these all things are there. So they have released certain mock test so that you get familiarized with the exam pattern, with the computer based test, with the interface there. So in this video, I'll be telling you how exactly you can go there, and I'll explain you all the terms, and I'll tell you how exactly you can write the mock test that is present in the COMEDK website. Okay, so let us start this video. Very important one. Please watch it. If like many of you might be also written JEE exams before and you might be knowing the interface, but it is little different from that. So please do watch this video for the end so that you can understand everything clearly. Okay, so let us see this first slide here. Okay, so first of all, why this is important that you should write the COMEDK mock test. Okay, what is the importance of this? The first is it is in the CBT mode, right? This is very important because many of you might be writing this exam in the CBT mode for the first time, maybe, right? So you should know. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. So what all things are there? There will be different colors symbolizing different things. So you should know about them from before. Next, familiarize and strategize for the exam day. So once you know that the exam comes like this, the question comes like this, you can have a plan about the exam for yourself. Then check if the format is comfortable or not. So you can use it for 3-4 times and make yourself comfortable with the format so that on the exam day you do not face any trouble with this. Next, hand and eye coordination. So you are solving in the paper and then you have to solve in the, it's not like paper and paper, right? You are solving in the paper and then you need to mark it in the computer. So your hand eye coordination should be there. So that also is important, and you can practice that through this mock test. Next, you can just check whether you are comfortable while writing exam on the computers or not. Like you may get eye strain and all. So there may be different problems for that if you are writing it for the first time. So you can make yourself ready, yourself adaptable to such exam type. And then this is very important, the time management techniques. You should know where the time shows, where how many questions are remaining, how many questions you are doing. So if you all can understand this from the computer based test, you will be able to manage your time. Okay, so these are the different things why you should attempt these mock tests. So let us see now. First, what you have to do is, first you have to open any browser and just type COMEDK. Okay, open any browser and type COMEDK. Okay, once you enter COMEDK, you will be able to go to this website, that is www.comedk.org. Okay, so click on this link, first one, and you will be directed to this page. Okay, this is the COMEDK official website page. Here you will find that exam details is there. When you click on exam details, you will find about exam, courses offered, and many things, and you have to click on about exam. Okay, so click on this about exam here. After clicking on about exam, you will go to this page. So here you can see there is mock test. Okay, there is something written here, mock test, which you have to click. Okay, so just click on this mock test here, and now you can see that there are so many mock tests. They have released 11 mock tests. So but you can go, here is the instructions how to do this mock test. So first of all, you can click on any mock test that you want to attend, click on them, and then username and password will appear automatically. Okay, so I'll show you that also, but if in case it doesn't appear, you can type this one will be your username, that is your 511115 times, and click on the sign in. Okay, now read the given instructions carefully. So after you sign in, the instructions will be there, that also we will show you. Then click next after reading the instructions, and then click on the checkbox at the bottom of the page after reading all the content, and click on I am ready to begin. So we will see these all. So this is the general steps that is given in the website. So you can read them and you can start the mock test. So after coming to this page, you can click any one which you want to choose. So for example, you click on mock test 1. So now this is your once you click on the mock test 1, you will be directed to this page. So here, as it was written, the login ID and password will already will be entered. So just you have to click on sign in. Okay, so once you click on sign in here, you will be directed to this page. Okay, so this page is your general instructions page. You have to read it thoroughly. Okay, you can read it from before, so that in exam you did not you can just get acquainted to this instructions. So there some instructions are here, like the total duration of the exam will be given, and then the clock will be set at the server, the countdown timer is there. So these all instructions, you have to read it very carefully. Okay, now coming to the, you have to click on next. Once you read the instructions, click on the next, and then here is the like exam instructions, that is whatever is like, there will be 60 questions from physics, chemistry, math. So you have to still continue, the other instructions are there. Once you read all the instructions, you have to click on this checkbox. Okay, this is very important. Without the checkbox, you cannot continue to the exam. So this checkbox tells us that it is written that you have read all the instructions carefully and you have understood it. So you have to click on this checkbox, and then you have to click on I am ready to begin. Okay, so once you click I am ready to begin, your test will start. Okay, so this is how your question will be looking like. So I'll be explaining here everything. So you see here, this represents your time. Okay, how much time is remaining for the exam. Here you can see your 180 minutes will be there. You can see there the time remaining. Next, the question paper, like you have 3 subjects, physics, chemistry and maths. You can see there are 3 tabs, physics, chemistry and maths. Okay, it's not like you have to solve first physics, then chemistry and then maths. You can go to any tab. Suppose you want to start with chemistry, you can click on chemistry, then chemistry questions will come, right? Okay, now here there is the question numbers. Okay, so there are all the question numbers are shown here. Now suppose you are in question number 1. So question number 1 you have not attempted yet, it will be in red color. Okay, now once you have attempted it, if you want, suppose for example this question answer is 100 Kelvin, so you have to select here. Okay, so you have to click on this 100 Kelvin, and then you have to go for save and next. So then you will be directed to question number 2. Now if you don't have this, you don't know the answer, you want to keep it as a doubt, you can click on mark for review and next. So once you click on mark for review and next, this box will become violet. Okay, so you can see for violet it is marked for review, answered and marked for review. Okay, so what is this, like if you haven't answered, like it's a long calculation, you just didn't do the calculation but you know the answer and you want to come back and do it, so you can click on mark for review, then it will be shown like answered and it will be shown for marked for review. Now if you have answered the question and later you want to check the question whether you have answered it correctly or not, in that case you will say a violet one with a green sign there, right? So these are 2 marked for reviews. Now if you are in question number 1, you haven't still visited these 20 questions, right? So these all will be in your green color, that is not visited one. And now there's, once you answer, if you answer and click on save and next, then you will get it as green color. Okay, so there are 4 things here. One is answered, one is not answered, and then not. So if you just like, if you do not answer and do not even mark it, the question color will be this one, red color. Okay, so is it clear, all the 5 things here? First is, once you open the question, it will be red color. Once you attempt the question and save and next, it will become green color. If you mark it for review, it will be purple color, or that is your violet color, and you can go to the next question. So there is like, you can see all the questions at a time. For example, you first 3-4 questions you are not able to solve and you want to start from the back side, or you want to see any random question, you can click on whichever question you want, you can click and that question will appear in the screen and you have to solve it. Okay, so this is there, and one more is there. If you want to, in between you want to see the instructions once again, if you have any doubt, you can click here. There is view instructions, the whole question paper you can see by clicking on question paper there. The whole paper will be visible to you. Okay, so then any other, here it is like MCQ questions, so you will be having one single answer. You can write here, you can mark the answers here, and here the tabs are there, physics, chemistry and maths. You can go to any tab and solve the question at any point of time. You did not follow like you have to start with physics, then chemistry and then maths. Okay, so that is the benefit of this online exam. You can review it many times, you can clear, you can change your answers again and again. Like how will you type, suppose you marked 100 Kelvin, after that you felt that the answer is for example 0 degrees Celsius, just click on clear response. Okay, clear response will remove that answer and you can put your new answers there. Okay, yeah, since after if you like choose one answer, you must click save and next to go to the next question. Okay, so yeah, these were the important things that you must know about your COMEDK online test user interface. Once you do this, practice it for 3-4 mock tests, or all the mock tests you can practice, so that you get acquainted with this interface and do not face any problem in the exam. Okay, so if you still have any doubt in anything you didn't understand, please comment it down. We'll definitely address it in the comment section or in the next video. Okay, so thank you and all the very best for your exam. Keep working hard. You will definitely be able to crack this exam. Thank you.